Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to make a creamy vegetable couscous. Guys, this couscous recipe is healthy and super delicious. These are the main vegetables I'll be using for this recipe. Kindly check the description section to get a list of all the ingredients. In a medium-sized pot, put to a bowl of meat broth. Once it boils, turn off the heat and stir in a cup of couscous. Cover the pot with a lid and let it sit for about 5 minutes to allow the couscous absorb the liquid. While the couscous is cooking, heat some quantity of oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and diced onion and saute for 2 to 3 minutes until they become fragrant and slightly softened. Add the diced red bell pepper, zucchini, mushrooms, broccoli, cauliflower to the skillet. Season with a cube of knor chicken, some salt, curry and thyme. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the vegetables are tender. Pour the soy cream or any heavy cream of choice into the skillet with the cooked vegetables. Stir well to combine and let the mixture simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the flavors to melt together. Fluff the cooked couscous with a fork to separate the grains. Add the couscous to the skillets with the creamy vegetable mixture. Stir gently until the couscous is well coated with the cream and vegetables. Reduce the heat to low and let the creamy vegetable couscous simmer for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. This creamy vegetable couscous can be served as a main dish or a side dish. It pairs well with grilled chicken, fish or any protein of choice. Kindly like this video, subscribe to my channel and share with loved ones. Remember, you are greatly loved by God. Bye guys.